So guys, we're about to take off. So let me show you the nice view we see. Oh, it's so beautiful. So you can open the window. Well, you can also close the window. So this is how it's like that, and close it just like that.
2 seconds earlier.
Watching, were you taking videos on the road?
Yes. Standard procedure.
So
And
cold.
you're not feeling cold?
No, I don't feel Badafly, I'm Rain, and I'm looking at rainbow butterfly. So today, we will walk at the airport. And also, we're going to
How are you guys?
We're at the airport to get to Cape Town. Yeah, I'm also scared at the same time.
You're gonna be fine. You're gonna sit by the windows, you're gonna see the clouds. Huh?
Are you also gonna sit by the window?
Yes, I'm gonna be sitting right behind you.
Okay.
Girls, okay, come. You go first, then you give it to the lady.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Yes. Oh, no. Don't run, girls.
Yeah. Butterflies over there. So now we're in the plane. Let me give you a little tour. We're about to take off. And I'm sitting. Let me show you where I'm sitting. I'm kind of scared to take off. So guys, first thing we have like this cute thing. This is for the table. For when you're eating. It's really cool. So let me just put that there. Then I don't know what this is. This is like something to put your drink there. Then I'm on the window seat. And the window is so beautiful. So you can open the window. Well, you can also close the window. So this is how it's like that, and close it just like that. That's how you do it. And I love it because I have two windows. And this plane is really comfortable. And also like these rain. So I'm really excited because this is my first time on a plane. So guys, we're about to take off. So let me show you the nice view we see. Look how cool it is. So we're actually moving. So I see the wing. Oh my gosh, the wing is so cool. So yeah, we'll show you when we move. I'm so excited. Guys, it's moving.
This Airbus A320 has 8 clearly marked emergency exits.
Let me just.
There are
So guys, now we're gonna finally we're flying. Guys, we're up in the sky. Whoa. So guys, we're up in the sky. Not the airport. salted oats biscuit. It's down bakery. So we're gonna munch on that for now. It's time to eat. So first, I have to like this I open it like a
We've landed. How do you feel? How was the flight? Okay.
The flight was good, but also long.
Okay, come.